Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm in the scrapyard again, but I came alone because the cameraman said he has busier stuff to do. He has more bigger plans than you know, the YouTube channel. But at the end of the day, if I'm still alive and breathing, there will still be videos on this channel. So I'm in the scrapyard again today, but it won't be a normal scrapyard video because I'm actually going to the scrapyard for the real purposes. I'm looking for my Yaris, but I need an alternator for it because my alternator pulley is making a lot of noise and basically it's annoying and I want to change it. So in the scrapyard there's apparently only 9 Yarises in the whole scrapyard. So we're gonna check them out, see if the alternators look new or not. If they don't look new, then I guess I just have to buy a new one. Alright. Alright, so we're in the first aisle. Supposedly there's supposed to be 2 Yarises in this aisle. And I think I see one now. One in the way back over there. Let's check out the alternator, see if she's shiny or not. If it's not shiny, brand new, I'm not buying it. Is this a Yaris? Ooh, it's the Napa Yaris. And there is no alternator. Alright, that doesn't help. And this one here, the alternator is all rusty. Yeah, well, that's not gonna help. It looks like I gotta go to the other aisle. Back to the one without an alternator. Literally none. This is the one in the other aisle. Ooh, it is replaced. But it got a collision here on this. Completely right here, so I don't know if I'd take this alternator. We'll check out the other ones. So, we're in the other aisle. Should be one here. This is the Toyota Yaris. And the alternator is original Toyota alternator. So, no, I will not be taking that one. So, this is the aisle with the Toyota Yaris. And this one too is original Toyota, so I won't be taking this one. Alright, so the other one should be down here. The other Yaris. Alright, now where is he located? Oh, he's over there. Oh! Another no alternator. Wow. Looks like there's one more after this, so let's get to the last one. It's the last aisle. Supposedly it's supposed to be one down here. I don't see it. Did I pass it? What now? How can I pass my own car? How could I pass my own vehicle? Am I in the right aisle? Oh, I think I went down the wrong one. Yeah, I did. Oh. And this one has no engine. So I'm gonna debate whether I'm gonna take that one that was kinda okay, but they don't really have much good options here at this scrapyard for alternators, and I think I might just buy a new one. Unfortunately, it's like $400, and I'm super poor, so it's gonna be my the food for my kids for at least 4 months. But you know, I think I'll manage. Alright, but I didn't find what I needed, but you think I would actually come to the scrapyard without showing you guys some bonus rust? So this bed is completely rusted out. Nice Ford, of the Ford variety. The whole body looks like it's rusted out. Off-road. Alright, so you basically seen that there's no good alternators at the scrapyard. So if you have a high expectation like me, just buy new and don't waste your time. Thanks for watching the video. Like always, like, comment, subscribe. And if you don't like the video and you came to this point, you're basically a loser. So you should just like the video. Alright, good luck with life. Alright guys, welcome back to the scrapyard. This is welcome back guys, this is part 3. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another scrapyard walk around.